Hello friends, it's Valentine's Day. I hope you have a wonderful day with your loved ones. This video is for the lovebirds. Let's create with clay. We have 3 Play-Doh colors, pink, yellow, and blue. Let's start with the pink. Here it is. Let's get our roller. It's so cute. It has little hearts all over it. We always have to roll our Play-Doh and make sure it's flat. Let's turn it this way. I really like this pink color. Here is our outline, and now let's get our mold. Ooh, look at this. Let's press it down and take out all the extra Play-Doh. What could this be? I think it's a heart? Let's see. Oh, it didn't come out so good, so we could just put it back down and press it some more. And once we lift it, it should be a lot clearer. Let's try. Okay, oh, it's perfect. That looks so nice. It says, I love you. I love you, with a pink heart. Okay, here is our blue Play-Doh and our cute roller. Let's roll this Play-Doh. Oh, this one's very nice. Okay, we have another Play-Doh mold. Okay, here it goes. We have this. We're going to take out all the extra Play-Doh and we're going to press it down. Let's make sure it goes down all the way. Okay, I think that should be good. What do you think this could be? It's a ring and it says, marry me. How cute. It's perfect for a proposal. That's beautiful. Look at that diamond. Okay, now it's the yellow Play-Doh, which I love. Let's roll it out. So what do you guys like to do on Valentine's Day? Do you go out to eat or just have a quiet day at home? I actually like going to the movies. Ooh, look at this. What could this be? Let's take out our extra Play-Doh. Ooh, this one come out. All right, and then press it down as always because I have a tendency of not pressing it as well and it just doesn't come out. Let's see. Oh, like so cute. Okay, I think it's not that good, so let's just, okay, let's put it back down. You want to try to kind of get it on top. All right, press it some more and then let's take a look. This is so cute. Look, it's a proposal with the marry me. He must have that ring from before. Very cute. I bet the wedding's gonna be amazing. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you like these cute designs. Happy Valentine's Day!